Yes, Mario. What's up?
Good evening, miss.
Good evening.
Um, I wasn't here last week due
Mm-hmm.
to, due to some situations.
Yes.
However, I got the the the, the, the word that you sent in PowerPoint, but I didn't fully understand it, so I'm not finished with that as yet.
All right. Did you listen to the recording? The
Uh,
recording was sent.
I haven't get a chance to
I think if you listen to the recording, you might get a little bit of understanding. So that's my advice. Listen back to the recording. That's why I sent it. At least, so that's. Shall listen back to it. If you still have an issue, send me an email and I will see how I can
and
assist.
and I send the Excel work in Moodle also, yeah.
Okay. All right. I'll take a look at those.
Yeah.
I still not seen as much persons uploading as I expected. It's 20 something persons from the class, but I'm not seeing 20 odd persons upload on the platform. But at the end of the day, we still have to move on. So, Charlene, how are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you, Miss. Good evening.
That's good. That's good. You're very well.
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
Thank you. I take it that you're well also.
Well, I'm good. Bit tired, but I'm been
Wonderful.
a long day because I was at work for a full day, so,
Ah,
and then just come straight here. But as
right.
that's always as something there, the work has to go on, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
There are a couple persons I have never seen at the but I'm not going to I'm not going to think there. Alicia,
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
so you never tell me so you have
I don't hear you,
or you didn't tell me that you have
sister.
sister in my other class.
I thought you know. I did. I mean, I think about four teacher don't they know? So I thought you know.
How me would I know if nobody never tell me?
No,
No.
because them say, oh, she look like me. That's the first time when I came there.
I never see her
You
the
know, them recognize
thing.
it. Them say to me, ask me by the way, because them see it to the resemblance.
Oh, I didn't recall seeing you. I met you before in person.
Yes, yes,
I
you do.
did.
Yeah.
Maybe just can't remember getting older, Robin. I don't know. Okay.
She's my younger sister though.
I wish I should have thought. I would have thought so. Yes, definitely. That definitely I know. All right. Oh, Alicia,
Names?
I saw a video that you guys, that group did. I saw a video that your group did
What
for
group?
Miss for the English teacher.
Yes.
But I was watching a movie. You
As
did
in the
it.
same group that me, Danica and Natalie.
Yeah, exact.
What about it?
I thought I was watching a movie. Was that good?
Okay. So that's my compliment.
Yeah, it was very good. I thought I was watching a movie. I'm not going to say.
Thank you.
We're
I
movie
was
stars,
very
miss. We're
impressed.
movie stars.
I am
Right,
saying,
so.
I was so impressed. I could not believe it. It's the first time seeing something like person
Wow.
use the technology like that. It was very impressive, I'm telling you. It was very good. I'm like, how do they do all of this? Yeah, but yeah, I was very impressed. Something that we can use and say this is what we expect. But no, that's the only one I got to look at. I haven't seen the others. I don't know what the others are like. It's the only thing I did get a chance to look at, but I was very impressed. I thought about that a movie. All right, so today we're going to go through some questions together, some theory questions together. Let us see if the brains are working. And let us see, I mean, you guys are the ones going to be giving the answer. I am not going to give the answers. You will tell me if the answer you feel is right. And at the end of it, you see what percentage, if you were doing the test, you would have gotten. If it was something there. So it's something that we're going to be doing together. Just a sec, it is. But Alisa,
Miss?
Donika's ever come to has been to the class? I don't.
No, because she never I think she heard because about the Tuesday and Thursday, and afterwards she know about the
I
Wednesday.
don't even have her on my email listing.
So she work on Wednesday, she said.
Don't even have her on my email listing. I don't even have her on my email listing. I don't even know her.
So I don't think on a Wednesday is possible.
What I'm saying, I'm not seeing her on my email listing to say
Okay.
yes. So I mean, well, anyways, I just move forward, work with who we have. Oh, just a sec. The site giving me a little issue. Can anybody try and get onto the Moodle side for me? And let me know if they can get on.
Miss, I didn't hear her.
And somebody see if they can get onto the Moodle side.
Moodle.
Yeah, man, the SET vet
Miss,
side.
I was just on it, Not
You were on it
too
a
long
while
ago.
ago?
Not
You
too
got
long
on?
ago.
It's not loading.
See where it's not loading myself.
It said site cannot be reached.
Yeah, it's the same thing I'm getting. Jeez, no man, this is not good. It's something I want to do on the site.
Oh, it's just
Okay, it
come
just
up.
come back. Yeah, it just came back for me too. All right, let me open it up. Because I just had everything up, ready, and everything. Are we ready to see how bright we be?
Miss
Yes.
Oshana Bertrand.
Yes.
Did you got my email with the?
Yes, I saw it. I saw it.
Okay, all right.
I did see.
Okay.
That's on the email I expected it in, but because I expected it in the heart instructor email, but I didn't get.
Okay.
That's my work email. I don't necessarily use that for. All right, everybody seeing the screen?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
All right, so let us see how we will do if we get 40 multiple choice. Okay, I see the first question. Or I need to zoom it in a little more.
Zoom it in some more, it's fine.
All right, let me try.
So we must not be on the site, miss.
No, I will make it available for you to go and practice. I'm just going through this today, and then it still make it available for you guys to go on and practice.
Okay, okay.
This is just right. You see it? Is it better?
Yes.
All right. So let us see if we can answer together. To close the program, you will A, click the middle box in the top right hand corner. B, click the X at the top right hand corner. C, shut down the computer, or D, click the underscore in the top right hand corner. Which one do you think?
Miss.
Miss.
I'm seeing section 1, click the
Miss.
middle button in the box, top right corner.
You have to try scroll or something if you're using your phone.
B, miss.
Miss B?
B, miss.
B, somebody.
Can you repeat, miss?
Okay, to close a program, you would A, click the middle box in the top right hand corner. B, click the X in the top right hand corner. C, shut down the computer, or D, click the underscore in the top right hand corner.
C.
To
Miss
close up,
B.
To close a program,
B,
miss?
yes.
B, miss.
All right, majority says B. Anybody say
Yeah,
anything different?
for me it's B though.
All right, let's go to the next question. The name given to a malicious program designed to destroy files and programs on a computer system. Is it A, a web browser, B, antivirus program, C, virus program, or D, internet service provider?
C, miss. B, miss.
Which one?
C. C.
C? All agree?
Yes, Miss C.
C as in cat.
Yes, miss.
Miss, what is a malicious program?
What is a what?
Malicious program.
Something bad.
Okay. It's a virus thing.
Miss, I think it's this antivirus program, miss.
Okay, so listen to what you think it's an antivirus?
Yes, miss.
Miss, I think it's B, miss.
C, virus. Antivirus is what you use to take off a virus or protect it.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
Antivirus is what you use to take off the malicious. Right.
Okay.
Basically.
So the anti is what you use to take it off. The virus is the bad one.
Says B.
Right. Wait, what? All right. Here's the next question. You have prepared PowerPoint presentation for your manager to attend a board meeting, but there was a need to enhance the presentation so that it would be more impactful. All of the following are objects that you would choose, except A, pictures, B, charts and graphs, C, tables, D, theme. Let us read again. You have prepared a PowerPoint presentation for your manager to attend a board meeting, but there was a need to enhance the presentation so it would be more impactful. All of the following objects you would choose except
B.
I think maybe D or C. Yeah.
Or look at the word that's it. All right. Somebody saying which one?
I was saying B because you're going to need, you don't need a chart and a graph.
Miss,
Do you understand what the question is saying?
Miss, I
It's saying
think
that
A,
you must,
Miss.
no, it couldn't be A. You want pictures in the PowerPoint. You want a
Right.
table. Maybe you don't need a table. Maybe you need a team.
Maybe
All
you
right.
don't need that.
It depends on the presentation.
All right. Look at the word that it says objects. It's a picture object.
So is the table not needed?
Hold on, listen. It's picture and object.
Yes, miss.
It's
Yes.
table and object.
Yes.
It's chart and
Yes.
object.
Yes.
Yes, miss.
It's
Yes.
theme and object.
No, miss.
No.
Exactly. You have to look and do method of elimination.
But you need, it's only one
Yes.
answer you need.
Right, but it says all of the following are objects except. Look at what the question says. All of the following are objects except. So which one is not an object?
D.
Somebody
D,
still.
Miss. D. D, Miss. D.
A as in apple, B as in boy, C as in cat, or D
Donkey.
as in dog.
D as in dog.
Donkey.
All right,
Donkey.
D. Because remember, you have to look at what you have to be. A matter of fact, this is what happens. Some persons read, but they're not interpreting what the question is asking. So it is, but we agree on D as in dog.
Yes.
Yeah, dog.
All right. What is the intersection of a column and row on a worksheet called? What is the intersection of a column and a row on a worksheet called? Is it row, address, cell, or column?
Column. D.
Column.
Anywhere in the day, I just want to beat, you know.
Missy can't be row and it cannot be column. And it cannot be cell because the cell is the entire
Why
rectangle.
cannot be cell?
Because it's the
Miss
entire
C, Miss.
rectangle is the cell.
What is a cell?
This is not the
Miss, I
entire
think it's C, Miss.
cell. Entire
What is cell?
rectangle.
The blocks are the
Oh no, that would be the address.
But it's a merge
Mrs. Tell me, tell.
I saw I come in there and beat today.
No, Mrs. Tell me.
It must be
Address
cell.
would be the entire rectangle.
Because
Miss,
remember,
I think
said
it's cell, Miss.
cell about the row and the column as the name. Remember?
At least I learned something.
So it is intersect between the two. It's the two of them.
Say before, Miss.
I heard you, but I heard you say the right thing, but I just wanted to hear from others. Right? I know you said it. But remember, I cannot necessarily see who's speaking because I am sharing my screen.
All
right.
Speaking to you, Miss.
What do you say?
Someone speaking to you.
Oh, yes. Or you just tell me that you were answering.
Yes.
Oh. All right. Let's go to the next question. Which is the most effective way of protecting files? Using a virus program, printing files and storing copies in a secure filing cabinet, storing the computer in a padlock room, creating backup of files.
B.
As in dog.
Which
Somebody
is
said
the
dog.
A, Miss.
Miss.
What?
A.
C, miss.
A.
Somebody really gonna say
C,
A? See? Somebody
store
really gonna say
computer
C
in
use
a
on padlock? You
C,
serious?
miss.
D.
I must.
As in dog,
You
D.
put
D, yeah, miss, as in
D
dog.
as in dog.
C.
you.
For me, it's D, yeah.
So hold on there. To miss a padlock, man. You are tell me now, sir. Because you're not gonna be able to use your computer because you lock it up in the padlock. That's what you tell me. So you're going to secure your files with the padlock. Huh? All right. So who said is what? Somebody said padlock. So is it the
Miss
padlock
Dennis.
or the backup files? Some because we're not
D.
backup file.
It's D.
Who said C again? Who was that?
Owen, miss.
D.
Owen?
It's not.
Yes.
It's C. You serious?
Joke, man, miss.
Come, you could be serious because say padlock. All right, so it is. All right, so good. Why would you back up your files? What is the purpose of backing up the files?
That way you can have them.
So you can know, you can go back to them for future reference.
Exactly.
Once the computer starts, you log in back, it can come up.
Yeah. You back it up. You can always have access to them at a later time. Good. All right, so here's a table. Are you seeing the table?
Yes.
Good. It have the selling price. It have the total. No, it says using the formula, with the diagram above, which of the formula may be used to calculate the GCT to generate the total cost of the menu items. Let us go back and see where is the subtotal. Where is the subtotal?
4,350.
I never asked you to tell me what is the total.
It's
Where is it?
It's above the GCT.
It's in row 11. Row 11.
Look at. Please tell me the cell address. Look at it.
C11.
C11. How do we find the percentage of a number? How do we find the percentage of a number? How we find a percentage of a number?
It's equal.
Right?
Open
Average.
see.
No, it's not average. You say average. I'm not average.
Equal open bracket and close bracket.
One at a time, please.
It's C. The answer is C.
The answer is what? You sure?
Answer is B, miss.
C.
C as in cat?
Yes, because it couldn't be 0.15.
All right.
So
Somebody
the
says
1
C as
point.
in cat.
I think it's D.
D as in dog, miss.
And somebody said.
No, it's C. It cannot be 11 C's. The letter come before the number.
Okay, I'm glad somebody pick up that. The letter must come before the number. Definitely so.
So it's not 0.15,
So
now
therefore,
1.15.
say D is definitely out of it.
Yeah.
All right. So we have A, B, or C.
C as in cat.
Is that 10 times 15?
Yes.
So why would it be C? Where's the percentage?
Right. So
D, miss.
Where is 100? How does the 15% call that if it's 15? All it is saying is times 15.
Right, so
Is there an error in the question, miss?
0.015
There
is
an error
A.
in the answers?
If there's an error in what?
Is there an error in the answers, miss? Because it's only saying sea level times 15. That could,
yes, but look at the others.
Is you have sea level times 0.15, so that will be the answer there.
What is 15% as a percentage?
0.15 would be 15%
as a decimal.
0.15.
What is 15% as a decimal?
0.15.
0.15, right?
Yeah. So A.
So the answer is
A.
A. You see how much I don't know when I get them wrong, mama.
I get it wrong too.
Yeah, because some person probably would have put out the 1.5 and forgetting about the percentage because it says 15%. All right, let us move on. The function of the CPU. Somebody saying something? The function of the CPU is to provide storage, to provide hard copy, and to communicate with the user, to read, interpret, and process information and instructions.
D, miss.
D.
D as in dog?
Dog, miss. Dog.
Yes, miss.
D, miss.
What?
D as in dog, miss.
Somebody will say, some person was saying C?
No, D.
D, okay, right, good. Okay, so when you store your work, so you can come back to it later, you print it, type it, save it, click it.
Save it.
C.
All right, good. Okay, so look at this table again. I'm giving you another one.
Oh, average.
Same table, but this time it says
12.
Hold
row
on,
12.
Hold on.
Or average total.
It says now, which of the following formula will you use to calculate the average in column C? The average total.
A, miss.
14, C4, C8.
All right, C4 to C10.
C, miss.
Yes.
A, miss. So that is
A.
A. All right. Next one. We need to insert a page number. We can insert a page number at header.
The footer.
And footer.
Footer.
Header only, footer only.
C.
None of the above. None of these are correct.
A, miss.
Why would you say A and not?
Well, actually, you know, because you can insert the.
You can use the header to insert
header
whatever you
and
want, and you can put number at the top and at the bottom.
Ah, great. Can be in both. Header and footer can insert page number. That's right. Don't worry, everybody. This practice thing will be there for everybody to go on back. You can always look back at it. Get your practice in. Or we'll have 40 minutes. Notice it is timed. So everything is always timed. 1 hour for 40 questions. The diagram above shows an image with 4 alignments. Remember these?
The mic open.
Remember these? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Miss.
All right.
Yes,
so
miss.
it asks you the one that is So what is the 4 alignment? Is it left, justify, right, and center?
Yeah.
No, it look what this one is what?
Right.
The first one is what? The first one
Don't
here
remember.
is what?
Left one, it seems like left and right to
Left,
me.
left, miss, left.
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 The next one will be what?
Center.
Huh?
Center.
Center somebody microphone. The next one will be what?
Oh.
Right.
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 And the next
Right,
one will
miss.
be
Justify.
justify. So the answer will be what? A, B, C, or D?
D. D.
D as in? D
Dog.
as in dog, right.
Yes,
Okay.
The file formats can add PowerPoint show. Can add. Okay, the file formats can add the PowerPoint, 2 PowerPoint shows. So the MPEG, the JPEG, you know, as is its pictures. The WAV is the WAV, that is voice, our answer there. Don't quite remember the MPEG one. Don't remember the PEG one. Let me look at what is the MPEG? MPEG. Anybody can find that out? What is the MPEG? What kind of file is that? And if it can be used in a PowerPoint, which one of those can be used in a PowerPoint? The format. What kind of
Moving pictures.
okay, so the MPEG is moving picture.
Moving picture.
All right, so can that be used in a PowerPoint?
Yeah.
All right. Can the WAV be used in a PowerPoint? What kind of file format is a WAV?
This is audio.
Audio. Good. So
Yeah.
can audio be used in a PowerPoint?
Yes.
All right. So what is now the JPEG?
JPEG is
Photographic.
Right. So can JPEG be used in a PowerPoint?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
So that means
So
the answer will be what?
all of these are
all of
A.
these are.
All right. Good. What may be used to prevent unauthorized access to confidential files on a computer? So as a padlock.
No Owen, no padlock.
No Owen, please. Defragment the drive, formatting the hard drive, username and password.
D.
as in dog.
See? Miss.
Look at the question.
D.
Prevent unauthorized access. It will be what?
D.
D or C?
See, miss?
D.
Formatting the archive.
When you format something, what happens? Huh?
You basically erase all information.
Exactly. Does it prevent unauthorized use of persons?
No, miss.
No, it doesn't.
But your username and password can prevent people from going in anything. Just like your phone.
Yes.
Your phone member probably use in these days they probably use a thumbprint or a code or something, so nobody
When I
can
take
get
out my
get
CD,
to
you
it,
look for the
right?
case and
So
put it in the correct case.
Hello,
You know,
remember if
do
you're
that.
not speaking to me, turn off your microphone. All right. Next question. Which of the following is an example of a web browser software? Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft Internet Explorer. Which one of them is a web browser software? What is a web browser? What is a web browser? I want to beat some people, you see? Web browser, web browser.
Internet.
Huh?
The internet.
Thing that you can use to go on the internet or
Can you use
search.
can Microsoft Word use to go on the internet?
No, Miss
Can
Microsoft Internet
PowerPoint
Explorer.
use to go on the internet?
No, man.
Can
Yes,
Excel use on the go on?
Explorer.
Internet Explorer. Microsoft Internet Explorer.
Yes.
D.
D as in dog, yes. You cannot browse in PowerPoint, sir. If you click on PowerPoint, it doesn't go to the internet. During a PowerPoint presentation, you realize that there were 2 slides that were identical. What operation has been taken?
Duplicate slide.
Oh, so brighter tonight. Is it add slide? Is it duplicate because it's saying that it is the
It's 2.
2 slide identical. So it is the duplicate. Right, come in and see, come up to the next. Un momento, por favor. Uy. Don't do this to me. We were going on so fine. Continue. Just kick me off. It just kicked me off a while ago, off the site.
Mr. The same thing happened to me a while ago. On Wi-Fi. Chip out a while ago.
Oh Lord. I hope it done something there from where we, I hope it pick up from where we were. Just kicked me off a while ago. And we're going on so fine. I had all the
I want about reach, miss.
huh?
I want about the reach.
What 14 or something like that. Just kicked me off a while ago, man. Oh, this is a wrong group. I have too many groups teaching, man. Let me see if it continues. Please continue. Something is happening with the platform. Check. Okay. Okay. All right. It looks like it continues. It's continuing. Thank you, Lord. All right. No, it never saved some of them. All right. We said this was the. We said this was the. We said this was username and password. We said this was Internet Explorer. And we said this was duplicate slide. All right, let us go to the next page. Please don't ramp with me today. It's messing with me. Kick me off again. Sorry, everybody. This is never normally an issue. Look like something is happening with their site.
Wednesday on me. Today's Wednesday. So we use that school today. So you use the Wednesday book today.
Hello, who is speaking and you're not
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry.
all right, good. We're going to the next something there. PowerPoint presentation are commonly used in a communication or planning, project presentation by students. All of these points are correct. Notes outlined for teachers. Hello. Hello.
See.
PowerPoint presentation are commonly used in communication of planning. Can we communicate in planning with a PowerPoint?
No.
Really?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
Communicating of planning. You can communicate with a PowerPoint when you're doing a planning.
Yeah.
Can you
Yes.
project presentation by students?
Yes.
Can you project notes, outlines for teachers?
Yes.
So that means
See,
this is all of the above, right? All except the following extensions. Yes?
Oh, you never said, yeah, I was asking if you could scroll back down. Let me see the last one, please. It's all of the above?
Yeah.
All right.
So you can use PowerPoint to project any one of these things. All right. All of the following are file extensions for Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint, Word and PowerPoint except. So Excel, which one will be Excel? Is A Excel?
Yeah.
Or B is Excel?
A.
All right. B is what?
PowerPoint.
PowerPoint. C is what?
Google Docs.
Microsoft.
Or?
Microsoft Word.
Word. So JPEG is what?
Pictures.
Pictures. So which one would be the answer?
Image.
Pictures.
So A, B, C, or D?
D.
JPEG. Good, right.
D.
Who? Okay. The diagram above shows the option of menu bar in Microsoft. Which menu bar is this? Is it layout? So when you go to layout, do you see that? Or when you go to view, you see this? Or insert or home? Which one of them you go on and you see margin, orientation?
Insert.
Insert, miss. Insert.
Really? Somebody go to insert and tell me if you see that.
Layout.
It's layout.
Well, if it's not C, it's D, it's A then.
We just a jump and say, no, have to. Yeah, so it's insert. When you go to insert, what you normally see? You see like
It's a
insert
full,
table.
full resume.
Yeah, you see insert like in table. You probably insert pictures, insert word art. Remember we do this, you know. I'm asking you, please go back through the recordings. You see, I go ahead and I put it on. I do all of that so they can get the recording. You were asked by
So
your super. Pardon me?
when is the actual test? Next week?
Yes. Or you want
Okay.
another week?
Miss next week, miss.
Get it out of the way.
Get it out of the way.
I think so too. You are asked by your supervisor to set up a PowerPoint presentation for the kitchen staff. Select equipment that you will need. Select equipment that you will need, except which one would it not be? A projector, scanner,
Maybe
B,
speaker.
scanner.
B, scanner.
B. Right. You wouldn't need a scanner. You don't need a scanner. No. In Excel, columns are labeled as A, B, C, A1, B2, 1, 2, 3, or A. A1.
A, miss.
Column is going down.
B.
Rows are going across.
A, miss.
A. Remember, said all the columns are labeled by the letters, and the rows are labeled by the numbers. All right, we have 23 minutes to finish. This thing. Okay, the type of memory whose contents can be changed is, I wonder who will get this one. Is it RAM, ROM, thumb drive, or cache? Which type of memory whose contents cannot be changed?
RAM, miss, RAM. Random access memory.
Oh, yeah. Anybody have another answer?
A.
Everybody saying it's A?
Miss, me, I can't remember.
Maybe I'm not sure.
That means you not go back and look back, you know. Yes? Okay, no, only choose the answer, please. Whether we get it wrong or right. Is it A, B, C, or D?
Miss, me, I said D.
It's read only memory. Wrong.
Somebody
B.
said B. Somebody said B, and somebody saying A. There's another answer.
C, miss.
Somebody says C.
Thumb drive is changeable, definitely changeable. You put
What is a
on
thumb
the
drive? Because I want to slap the person that would assess. What is a thumb drive?
USB type thing, miss.
What you use thumb drive to do?
Storage, miss.
Thank you very much. So, it is definitely not C, sir.
Definitely not C, and it's definitely not A.
Miss, I think it's D, as I said.
D as in cash?
Mrs. D.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
D as in dog or?
D as in dog.
Donkey.
All right.
D, miss.
A majority said D. Whether we're right or we're wrong. Let us see. In Microsoft Word, from the menu bar, this operation always allows her. In Microsoft Word, from your menu bar, this operation always allows you to save, print, open, and export documents.
Files.
Files.
All right. In Microsoft Word, from the menu bar, this operation allows you to save. What you got?
File.
Open, print, export. Somebody said file. Anybody else say file?
Yes.
Files, file.
Yes, Miss File.
Okay. Dash key used for the help in Microsoft application. Oh, which one is this again?
F2.
F2 for help. You know, long time I use code, you know. All them key there. Let me see if don't remember
F1 key used to help Microsoft application. Is F1 or 2?
I think F2, I'm not sure. Miss F2?
This one, me not
between
remember the one here. I forgot to look up.
Between 2 and 1.
No, I think it's 2, you know. Amanda's Google.
All right, let's see F1.
That said F1.
F1.
F2 is using normal files and stuff like that. It's C.
Is what? C, F1?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, it is true.
F1. Okay. Which output device is used to capture information from a computer and replace it on paper? It's called
Printer.
Anybody did ever get that one there wrong? Which of the following leads to a hardware failure in a computer system? Formatting the hard drive, air condition,
what this?
cool environment, excess heat and humidity.
Excessive and humidity.
D. All right.
Yes.
All right, we are almost there. How much minutes we have? 17 minutes. Okay. Which of the following formula may be used to calculate the lowest number for a group of cells? What is the formula?
Minimum.
No,
It
Miss
is
D. No. D as in dog.
D.
Dog, not
Somebody say C?
D.
no.
Is it
B.
D? D as in
dog.
D. Yeah.
Why is not B?
Because the number comes before the letter.
Okay, excellent. All right, good. A dash is a collection of design. Hello, somebody talking. I'm not here. A dash is a collection of design choices that includes color, font, and special effects.
Team.
A dash is a collection of design choices.
Oh, animation.
No. Design. When you're choosing your design, where you go to?
Team.
Yeah. Which of the following is not a basic step in creating a worksheet? Copy the worksheet, modify the worksheet, save the worksheet, enter text and data. Which of the following is not a basic step in creating a worksheet?
D, Miss.
Which one?
D.
D as in dog?
Yes, Miss.
All right. The most common input device today is
keyboard.
All right. Which is the secondary storage device?
Thumb drive.
nobody gonna tell me CPU. All right, we have what? 10 more questions. Any storage device added to a computer to store additional data, information, and
Secondary
program
storage.
is
B.
Secondary storage.
Miss.
okay. Good. One of the output devices your computer use is a output device.
C.
Mouse.
Output.
Monitor, miss. Good night. Sorry to be
Scanner.
late.
Scanner.
C.
Monitor. A is the output device.
What is a scanner?
Input.
Thank you. A mouse is input and keyboard is input. Says output.
I don't know that.
If you are creating a PowerPoint presentation to a group of children relating to food, what will be the most important guidelines to follow? Use a 40 slides for the presentation.
Definitely not.
Read your presentations. Which one?
C.
C. All right. Use readable colors fonts. Okay. Software which may be used to remove destructive programs from your computer is called
B. Antivirus.
B.
B as in boy.
B as in boy.
Yes, miss.
Okay, all right. The two kinds of primary memory.
See that one. You can scroll back down and see that one. I didn't see that one.
B, miss, B.
You seeing it?
Yes, miss.
All
right, thanks.
All right. The two kinds of memory, is it A, B, C, or D?
B. B, miss, B as in boy.
B as in boy?
Yes,
anybody?
miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay. All right, we're at the finishing line. You know what this means? We can do a test. Persons can do a test, a multiple choice in 1 hour. Okay, so we still have 12 minutes and we are at the last 5. Okay, so looking at the diagram again, using the diagram above, which formula may be used to calculate the total amount of menu items? And is the total amount they're talking is at the bottom here?
So go back on the
Is it A, C4 to C12?
C.
Is it B, C10 to C12? Equals some, which is it A, B, C, or D?
C. I think
Subtotal on the top.
Subtotal on the GCT.
Well, I tell you, yes, because already added already, I added a GCT, so it would be C11 to C12. I tell you, sir. I'm such a proud mama. Okay, the process of removing unwanted parts of an image is called
Cropping. C.
cropping. Exactly. Okay, good. The dash is not the view. It's not the view of PowerPoint. Slideshow view, slide sorter view, normal view, or outline view.
B.
Which one?
B.
Okay. 2 more questions. If you enter numbers that are bigger than the cell, which of the following symbols will appear? Oh, I don't know if you know this one, but I hope I can guess this one right.
D, Miss.
D.
Which one?
D.
Dog.
D.
D as in dog?
D.
Yes.
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 All right. Last question. And let us see how much percentage we get. A software package design perform calculations on data arranged in a grid, rows and columns. Which one is it? A, B, C, or D? Application, systems of,
D,
which one?
Miss.
D.
D.
D as in
D,
dog?
Miss. Which one is which?
Dog.
Yes.
All right. So let us see what's our score. Let's see if all of we bright or some of it and all of, let us see. Let us see our percentage. And we don't get 100, you know. We don't get 100. Let us see what we get wrong. We got 90.
Yo.
You see the percentage that we got, everybody?
Yes,
Is
Miss.
it even
We
know?
got
Yes.
90 out of 100,
Yeah.
but that's not bad.
Excellent, excellent.
Let us look at what we get
Yeah, sir.
wrong. So the answer, remember when you tell me the answer is cash? It's not cash. The answer is read-only memory.
I said it.
I know you said it, but the majority, remember I said is a majority? I know you said it. Cash, so cash was the wrong answer. Let us look at the next one that we got wrong. Let us look at the next one that we got wrong. Okay, so we said enter data, but it's not. That's not the right one. It is copy the worksheet. It's not a way of creating. Right? So they said copy the worksheet. It's not a basic step in creating a worksheet. So I think the word basic was the operative word there. Basic. All right, let us look at the next one we got wrong. It's only 4. Turn off.
Take out the shirt them.
Hello. Mute your mic. Okay, so we had something that was outline view. Was the right answer. Seeing that?
Yeah.
So its outline view is not a view of PowerPoint. All right, let's look at the last one that we got wrong. Oh, this one is definitely wrong. It's not applicate. This one is definitely the because it's not application programs. It's broad. Oh, it says software package. Oh, are we read it wrong? It's a package. It's a package, everybody. So the word package, should I give you the hint? Says it's application programs. Is what it's saying?
Yeah.
Right. Because it's a package, that means it can be more than one type of program. So application programs, you know, can have more than one types of something there. Yeah. But it's still not bad. We get 90%. Third, just right. So that's good. So good job, everyone. So that means the final.
Is this the we're going to get?
Huh?
Or this is just a practice? Is this the same test we're going to get, or this is just a
Can be
practice?
the same. It's a practice test. But
Oh.
I don't think it would be anything harder.
Oh, okay.
And this is a good. You can go back over them. It will be on the site for you. It's already on the site for you to go on. You can go back over it. What I can do is save this and send it to you with the answers already there. So at least you can go back. Huh?
Excuse me. The test is going to be next week.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the plan.
So, Miss, when I get the test next week, is it that we're supposed to do it while we're in class?
We're not having a class next week. The class is the exam.
Okay.
What I will do is send you the link, the password, and everything to your email. What I will do is give you the day. You have within the full day to do it. Because I know some persons might not be able. So some persons, if you want to do it in the day, I would allow you to do it in the day. Some persons want to do it in the evening. Then so it will be open for the day.
I will do it for the day for anything.
Right. So I will make sure that it is there for the day. And you can go on it and do both the theory and the practical. It's both of them. So I will send you the link and everything to both of them from the assessment office. And then that will be it. And then you'll get your marks in probably another week or two after. And then that will be it for data. Any questions, anybody? As I said, I will send you it's what we just
It's
learned
1
about.
hour each, Miss.
Pardon me?
Miss, when it's the practical though, the
It's 1
practical
hour
is
each.
what based on a PowerPoint, Excel, and Word.
Yeah, exactly. Yes. PowerPoint, Excel, and Word. That's it. Similar to what we did.
And that's okay.
Yeah. What you saying, Romario? Is Romario was speaking?
I was asking if it's 1 hour each.
For what?
For the practical and the theory.
The theory is the only thing that is timed. The practical isn't timed. You do the practical and upload it.
Okay.
To the platform.
Okay.
To the Moodle.
So, Miss, the PowerPoint that I told you that I didn't get to finish. Can I send it in before next week?
No problem.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
I'm going to try to go through all of those over the weekend and make comments and like understand some of their. Yes, Marcy?
When you said the practical, you're going to do that. That's why you have the Excel work and you do the diagram. So we have to go do that practical. That's what you're talking about.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh,
which is what we have been doing, and that's why I will tell you to practice. That's why I said to practice for each thing. When I give you on the platform, because we did Word, I gave you a practice one for that. Excel, I gave you a practice one for that, and PowerPoint, I gave you a practice for that. If you have issues, you can come down to Boys Town before the next, and then know that we can submit there. If you have anything there they need to clarify, you can come down to the institution.
You're available there?
As best as I can be. I do have an assistant as well who can assist there as well. All right.
Fine.
Oh, Miss.
Hold on there. Alicia was speaking. Go
yes,
ahead.
The assignment that due today that we're sending in, is it as a graded work?
I'm going to go through and give you a grade to see what you will get, what you might have gotten on the final exam if it was your final exam.
Okay.
These were all that I give you are practice for you to practice towards the final. I give it because I don't want you to go there. I don't know what type of thing might come on the exam. I don't want you going blind. So I give you all this practice towards the final. So I'm going to go through for all those who sent me and make my comments and probably tell you what kind of grade you have gotten.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? But it's not
and
grade
next week
towards
final?
something. Pardon me?
When it says the final exam?
Next week, Wednesday.
Okay.
If you want delays, you must say it, you know. I just want to get it out of the way. And my advice is to get it out of the way.
I'll give it practical and theory. You can just make it run it over to the other week too.
It will be open. No, it can't do for. It will be open for the full day. That's as best as I can do.
Oh,
it's open out for the whole day.
Miss, send on the test. Send it on.
It's open for the day. That means you have within the whole day to go on it. The only thing that is timed is the test, is the theory. Nothing else is timed. Right? So you have within the full day to do it and upload the practical.
Okay.
Right? To go delay another week. No, I don't. It's not going to be possible.
It's all right. Once you're giving us a full day, then that's fine.
I think that is reasonable. A full day to do the test. As I said, though, just like how we were timed for this, it's the same way it's going to be timed. So once you go on, you have the 1 hour to finish the theory, but you'll have more than enough time to do the practical and upload it. And for persons who do not have a proper device to do it and upload it, come to the institution, use the institution computer. I don't know if persons who have never been to the class going to do the exam. I don't know. I know I send the recordings to everybody. So it is their choice. Right. Just know that if they don't do it, they won't get a certificate for this for the data. And I'm sure pardon me?
That's the overall pass mark.
Pass mark for me is 100. But for Harchus is 50.
Okay.
Harchus is 50. But for me, I aim high.
That's good.
I don't want
very obvious.
All right. Let me finish. I am marking the register. Just give me a minute and then we can any questions though while I'm marking the register?
Miss, I was saying that for the PowerPoint practical.
Yes.
On reviewing, I realized I missed one little something. So I don't know if
detrimental.
No, not really.
You want what you miss out?
Just a picture. For some reason, I could have downloaded the picture, the same exact picture that you're saying in the file, and I didn't remember to try to find it and download it.
Oh, I don't think it's detrimental, but I will look back at it if you want to update it, you can always update it and email it back to me. To the Heart Instructor email, please. The Heart Instructor email.
Miss,
right?
so the picture that you have in the thingy, with the guy with the decks were full of something. Me not see about that picture, then we can use a different picture.
What did the well, I mean, I don't think it's detrimental for the type of picture.
Oh, because I use a different one.
I don't think it's really detrimental for the type of picture. It's just that you need to yeah, I don't think it's really detrimental. It's Danielle. Okay.
I found the picture, but it was really hard to find it. I had to search. But
Don't pay attention too much to the picture. Probably you can do something that is similar. I will accept it. Something similar, but not necessarily something there.
Let me see, I need to put those details because I was trying to get
no, because let me tell you. But don't.
Yeah.
My apologies. But don't sweat it. It's not the end of the world. Stop. Okay, go ahead. Yes. Go ahead.
You hearing me?
Yes, I'm hearing.
Yes, I was asking what if I have some problem or want to reach out to you
Send me an email to the art instructor email.
All right.
I will get back to you. Truthfully, I cannot give I don't give out my personal number, and I don't have a work number.
I understand, but you say, it's one, I think, a hour, practical the time way. So I say, what if you want to reach out to you before the hour?
The theory, huh? Listen. Come again. Say it again.
No, which one you say so you have a time on? Is it the practical or the theory?
Practical is not timed. It's the theory is timed. That's how we were timed tonight when I was doing it.
Okay.
Only thing that is timed is the theory. A theory test have to be timed.
Okay.
They must be time bound, but they don't really time bound. The thing there, it is given a little leeway. Cause right, so the practical will give a bit more time. So that's why I'm saying it will open for the day. So persons will have more than enough time to do the practical.
Oh, I was just mixing them up.
Yeah. I remember, you can always go back to the recording as well. Right? Use back the recordings if you don't remember some of the steps. It's a lot of things you have to download and to put it in thing there to send to you. So use it up, man, for those who have not. Look back at it, and I'm saying if you have any major issues, I'd advise to come down to the institution. If you like to use a computer lab to do it, come down and deal with it. So much person missing today.
Oh, miss, for the second assignment that you gave, it due today as well? Because I didn't get to finish that one.
Everything due long time, sir. Everything will do. Everything would have due by now because this is the last week of online of class. And if I'm not going to be able to look at it, look at everybody saying if it's not done earlier than before the exam period, because and do that before the weekend, it would be good, and I can take a look at it and make my comments.
All right, because I've done the Excel and the PowerPoint, but the third one I'll have to finish it. If I can finish it by week, then
Okay, weekend don't meet midnight Sunday.
yeah.
Yeah, because all right, Georgia. Any other questions? I was telling you that overall I really enjoy having this group.
Same here, miss. I enjoyed having you too.
Thank you.
I will miss you. You're going to be missed.
I would pop in the other classes once in a while.
I was just about to ask you to teach us anything else.
You know what we miss? If I slap you, see? If I ever beat you, see?
And the one of that.
Yes. Right, so
you won't be teaching us anything else.
You'll be missed.
No, not necessarily. No, not that I know of. Not that I know of. All depends. All depends on how things go. Each quarter is different, so I can't really say yes or no as yet. But for now, it's not for now.
Miss, when we receive the certificates?
Somebody really never asked me that a while ago. You really would ask me. You really asked me that a while ago. You never do the exam yet. You really couldn't serious ask me that.
1 week after the exam is 2 weeks.
In your mind, you have a certificate, a magic certificate. A magic certificate, yeah, tell. Lurly, you know, you come so late.
Miss, let me tell you something.
Miss, I couldn't get on. This thing have me all over the place.
Miss,
but I'm here nonetheless.
Okay.
Miss, I join a group and still learning one in the classroom. Still learning.
Hey, O'Neil, stop scandal me.
Oh, she went on the wrong link.
Yeah, learning to share with Miss.
What I will have to do then, in order for persons not to call.
Stop scandaling me.
Don't scandal her, man. That is not nice. Other persons, it happened to other persons too. I saw it earlier. I saw Georgia one in our own room too. So that.
So, Miss, what you tell O'Neil not to scandal learning?
I think it happened to me one evening. I was in your class when I was supposed to be somewhere.
I'm true. This is you. Let me stop the recording.